Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting a window view with watercolors. I have here sketched out a small rectangle and I had wet the surface first. In the middle area of this rectangle, I'm adding lemon yellow. As you can see, I had put first paint and then I wet my brush and dabbed it along the surface. Towards the lower left side, I added some orange, and towards the edges, that is the empty spaces left, I'm adding a light shade of green. In this rectangle, we'll be using various shades of green. I'll be first using lighter shades and then moving on to darker shades. As you can see, here I'm using a green that is one shade darker than my previous shade. I here actually have a lot of shades of green, but in case you do not have, you might be having a light shade and a dark shade. So you can mix the water consistency and create lighter and darker shades. More the water, the lighter your shade becomes, and if you use less water, it comes in the original colors that is there. As you can see, the center part is majorly light in color, yellow, and as we moved towards the borders, it turned darker. After the background has dried up, I'm painting some random leaves here using a dark shade of green. My brush size here is 0. Do not paint leaves in one particular direction only. Make them turn left or make them turn right at some places so that they look natural. I'll be adding majority of the leaves towards the borders of this rectangle. For the leaves as well, I'll be using different shades of green. First, I'm using a lighter shade of green and then I'll be moving on to further darker shades. The majority of our leaves, it's towards the borders, and as you move towards the inside, the majority of the leaves should keep on decreasing. Here I'm using a olive green kind of shade, which you can make by mixing green and yellow or green or brown. I'm here painting some thin strokes using a detail brush with very light pressure on my hand. The light pressure helps you give thinner strokes. Here I'm using a further darker shade of green. If you do not have such a dark shade of green, you can add some blue to your existing green or maybe a little amount of black. After all this dries up, time to paint the window. So the earlier pencil lines that we had drawn for the rectangle, I'm redoing it with black paint using a size 0 detail brush. I'm drawing some more lines, 1 or 2 mm further than the existing line that we painted, for thickening the borders. The border of your window should be a little thick. the two vertical and the two horizontal lines. That too we will be painting using black paint. Here you are with your window view painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.